Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2022 Land Rover Defender. This Land Rover is powered by Terrain Response 4-wheel drive, 3.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 43,811 miles. Experience the perfect blend of luxury and ruggedness with this gently used 2022 Land Rover Defender. Outstanding performance, high-end amenities, exceptional off-road capabilities. An adventure on wheels. Test drive today. This pre-owned Defender comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, push button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Land Rover Defender is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, smart device integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, crash imminent braking, CIB, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.